Hello guys, I hope you are having a great day today. So today I'm gonna show you how to make ayam geprek just like my previous video. So basically this chicken we have marinated it with salt, white pepper, turmeric powder and some coriander seed powder, and later we're gonna fry it. So one thing I like about this food is of course the sambal. It's very spicy. So for this one we just gonna use a few chilies, the red one, and the but actually this is a bird's eye chili. So we have the red version, the green one, and of course we're gonna put the garlic together. So the magic ingredient is salt and sugar. Okay guys, now we are ready to fry the chicken. So we already preheat the oil. So we're gonna cook the chicken over a very low heat. Make sure that the chicken fried thoroughly. While the chicken is being fried, we get back to our sambal and start grinding those chilies and garlic. So actually the salt and sugar helps the grinding process. And if you don't have this grinding equipment, you can just use your normal blender or maybe mortar and pestle. So this one was about 10 ringgit. We bought it at the night market. When we ate the sambal at the restaurant, we did taste some nuttiness in the sambal. So we're assuming there is nuts inside it. So we're adding some ground nuts. So we're gonna grind it together with the chilies. So we are going to check the chicken just to make sure we not overcook it and it look good. So we're just going to use the same oil later to be poured onto our sambal. The same exact oil being used to fry this chicken. Okay, so now we are going to pour the hot oil over the sambal. Okay guys, so we've done with the cooking. Now it's just a matter of enjoying the food. So just put on more of the sambal on top of the chicken, and yeah, I can tell you it's very it's spicy. So thanks for watching guys. So if you like the recipe, try it yourself. Be careful, it's spicy, and don't forget to press thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to my channel for more food video. Thank you for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.